And Two Works for You has covered this case since the beginning, and reporter Tony Russell is live outside of the courthouse for us right now with our legal experts' take on today's developments. Hi, Tony.
Yeah, Sharon, I just want to get right to it. Adam, you've been following this from the get-go. What are your biggest takeaways as the jury has this case?
You know, a couple of things have stuck in my mind since the beginning of this case. The first is that Betty Shelby's testimony from the beginning has been that Terrence Crutcher was moving like a zombie because he was on PCP. Because of that, I have trouble, in my mind, believing that he was going to suddenly reach into a vehicle and produce a weapon. I also have a problem with Officer Shelby producing her service weapon as they were walking past her cruiser. I think that was way too soon. I think she left herself with too few alternatives as things got to a boiling point. But you know, everybody hears things through their own filters and with their own experience. That's what makes the jury selection process at the beginning of the case so important.
What's your takeaway? What do you think is going to happen when this jury comes back out?
Well, I tell you what, I wish I could tell you. If it's a guilty, the defense has a number of motions they can file to set aside the verdict, get a new trial. If it's a not guilty, you have to wonder if the United States Attorney's Office is going to make a move on a civil rights violation or some other action. A lot of pieces still in play.
Okay, thanks, Adam. Again, we'll send it back to you and continue our coverage.